Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup routine, all of my favorite go-to products on the day-to-day. So if you want to learn how I do my everyday makeup, please keep on watching, and before you leave, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you can always follow me on my other social medias, which are always linked in the description box below as well. Hope you guys enjoy the video and just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already have my base done. Well, my foundation and my concealer and setting powder at least. So I'm just gonna go in and contour, and I like to use this Marc Jacobs palette. It's the Mirage filter, and then I take this little brush that comes with all of Benefit products, and I go in and contour. I love this little brush because it really just creates like a nice sharp line because it's like just a little flat brush. So and since this is my like everyday routine, I don't go like super crazy with my contour, but I still like to be chiseled, you know. And then I take this Morphe brush and go in with that contour a little bit more, just to diffuse like that harsh line, and then I bring it up on my temples. If you guys want more of like an in-depth contour tutorial or routine, I have one on my channel already, so you guys can go check that out. And then I bring it up on my forehead as well. Alright. And also, sorry if I'm like a little out of it. I've had a cold for a while, also why I haven't been posting much. It just like won't go away. Now I'm just taking Hoola from Benefit on this Sephora Pro Airbrush brush. And I am just kind of putting that where blush would go, kind of bringing it up on my temples just to like warm up my face. Usually with my everyday makeup routine, I don't wear like a lot of blush. Sometimes I don't even wear any blush, so bronzer just helps to warm up my face a bit, give me a little bit of color. And I like Hoola because it's not super like orangey, I guess. Okay, I am gonna put a little blush on. I'm just gonna use Dandelion from Benefit as well. That same blush, and just kind of put that on the apples of my cheeks just to give me a little bit more of like a flushed appearance. Okay, and then I take a powder I take a powder foundation. This one is from Ofra. It's just like a palette. And I take that on my little Morphe brush and I go under. Wow, that's annoying. Okay. I go under my contour with it to just kind of sharpen it. See, it just like really sharpens it up. And then I like to take it on the sides of my nose, just kind of brighten up my face. Okay, and now I'm just gonna highlight. I'm gonna use like a couple of different ones. I can't find my highlight brush. Like always, always losing names. Okay, here we go. So this is MAC Soft and Gentle. This is my go-to highlight. So I'm just going to take that on, I don't even know where I got this brush, but I really like it for highlight lately. Just gives like a really pretty glow. This has been my go-to highlighter for like a few years now. Like, I have ones that I like, but none nearly as much as this one. And then I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild highlight. This is their Blossom Glow one, and just kind of put that on the high points. So it just like gives it such a blinding appearance, and I love it. And on the other side. Alright, and then I'm gonna put it in the usual spots: my chin, the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, everything like that. I like to just bring it under my brow bone too, just to like pop it. Alright, now that I'm all nice and glowy, I am going to just go back with some blush and kind of just like run over, just to blend everything out a little bit more. So I don't like there to be like a harsh line of highlight, you know. Alright, so now that that is done, I am going to set my face with this Kat Von D setting spray. So okay, now after I've drenched my face, just gonna let it dry. Okay, so now I am going to do my brows off camera because I already have a brow routine on here as well. So I'm gonna go do that and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. My brows are on. So now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So basically for my eyes on my everyday makeup routine, I just kind of set them with the yellow shade that comes in this Marc Jacobs contour kit, because I don't really wear much eyeshadow on a regular day basis. So now basically all I do is I either throw my bronzer or my blush into my crease and kind of put it on the lid, and then I throw my highlight shade on my inner corner, pop on some lashes, and usually I'm good to go. Today I think I'm going to use my bronzer in my crease, so I'm just going to take Hoola, and on this Sigma kind of fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to bring that in my crease. And this just kind of gives your eyes a little bit of depth, warmth, makes them pop a little bit without kind of being too much. You can obviously like layer it to your desired color level. I like to make it like obviously dark enough where you can like notice that it's there, but I don't want it to look like a smoky eye, you know. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that. Okay, and then sometimes I like to bring it underneath as well. And I take this little flat Morphe brush with that bronzer and just kind of bring it underneath. And this again just kind of emphasizes the eyes, gives them a little depth, makes them pop a little bit without being too dramatic. And then I will take this little Morphe like browned blending brush with the bronzer as well, and just kind of blend it out. I also like putting shadow underneath because if you have any like lines, any creasing, it just kind of like hides it a little bit. So now my eyes are pretty much done, and for the inner corner I'm just going to, if I can find my brush, just going to take those two highlights I used today. So first I'm going to go in with Soft and Gentle, pop that on the inner corner, and then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild one also on my inner corner just to brighten it even more, because I just want my eyes to be like bright, awake, open. Alright, so now I'm nice and highlighted. My eyes are pretty much done. So now I'm just gonna go pop on my lashes and I will be right back again. Okay guys, so I'm back, put my lashes on. Obviously I'm wearing my Ardell Demi Wispies. They are my go-tos for not just every day, but pretty much all the time. So I use those and then put on some mascara and then line my lips with this NYX Natural Lip Liner. Also my go-to for every day because it's just obviously a really natural color. And then I like to, sometimes I like gloss, sometimes I like liquid lipstick. Today I'm going with a liquid lipstick. No particular reason, I just am feeling a liquid lipstick just because I'm wearing my hair down and I don't want my hair to get stuck in the gloss, blah blah blah. So I'm going to be putting on this Stila liquid lip in Carmelo. This is like my go-to pinky nude because it's just like perfect. Alright, I just love it. It's like perfect. It's not too dark, it's not too pink. It's just like a really pretty pinky nude. And with that lip liner, it just like goes really well. Alright, so basically that is my everyday makeup routine. If you want to know how to apply lashes, brows, how I do my full like foundation, contour, everything like that, I do have videos on all of that stuff on my channel already, so you can definitely go check all of that out. For now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if I seemed a little out of it. It's probably because I am, because I'm still trying to get over this cold. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel before you guys leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!